What is Grammarly? Grammarly for Microsoft Office and Windows. Grammarly is an American based Ukrainian technology company that provides a digital writing assistance tool wherein you can detect spelling, punctuation, and other common errors in text word. The software tool was first released in July 2009 in Kyiv, Ukraine. In this video, we are cover different points about what is Grammarly, how it works, and how it works with MS Office in 2021. Grammarly highlights spelling and grammatical mistake as you write. The real-time digital editor also suggests edits and provides reasons for their suggestions, giving you the option to accept or ignore them. The Grammarly spell check feature is just the beginning of its feature set. There's much more to the proofreading and editing tool. Grammarly will also analyze your writing style, suggest synonyms to improve readability, and check for plagiarism. A crucial premium feature for reviewing other people's writing, because I know that you would not plagiarize anything. Bottom line, Grammarly is one of the smartest digital copy editing tool for writers, may more advanced than other tools in the marketplace. In a way, it may be most valuable productivity tool for writer and editor. It's non-intrusive, fast, easy to use, and initiative because of its excellent UX or UI. A note for bloggers: Grammarly ignore Markdown and HTML, which allows you to copy text directly from WordPress, plug it into the Grammarly editor, and then paste it into your WordPress post editor. Even better, you can use the Grammarly Chrome extension and make change on the fly directly within WordPress. That is what I do, and I love it. How does Grammarly improve your writing? Grammarly helps you create more effective and error-free writing wherever you write. If you are a current Grammarly user, you know that you can use it to write and edit just about anything, including the following: blog posts, articles and stories, books, client proposals, business emails, social media captions. Grammarly improve readability and grammar. Any word processing software can find misspelled words. Grammarly help you to recognize patterns in your writing and provides insight into your writing style. Do you use adverb superfluously? Like this, do you have the habit of ending sentence with prepositions? Do you overuse the passive voice? Grammarly is like having a personal writing coach right inside your browser, providing help and suggestion at your side in real time. It doesn't force you into a specific writing style, but will use AI to give insight on your style and tone. The style tone analysis is not 100% accurate, but it's still useful. And let's not forget about Grammarly's gamification aspect. Grammarly emails weekly performance stats They tell you metrics like how well your vocabulary has expanded, how many weeks in a row that you have written, the number of words checked in your copy, and more. These scoring features inspire and motivate you to continue writing. Is Grammarly good for others? The app can handle any length of text. You can use Grammarly for novels and short stories right inside of Google document or Word document. A note for non-native English speakers, Grammarly help you craft more genuine copy for English readers by helping you pick up on the nuances of the English language. In your writing, Grammarly Premium's additional feature make it the best investment for non-native English speakers. How to use Grammarly? Okay, now for the big question, how do you use Grammarly? The first step is to sign up for the Grammarly service and install the free browser extension for Chrome users. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grammarly. Click the Add to Chrome button to start the installation. For other browsers, see instruction here how to add Grammarly to Word. If you want to use Grammarly within Microsoft Word, download the native desktop Grammarly app for PC or Mac. Other installation options include Grammarly keyboard or iOS and Android mobile devices, and the online Grammarly editor. You can copy and paste any text there to be reviewed, proofreading and editing with Grammarly. When you see a green G in the bottom right corner of your screen, Grammarly is properly installed and ready to unleash its proofreading and editing power. What is Grammarly? Grammarly for Microsoft Office and Windows. Grammarly is an American-based Ukrainian technology